everyone, what's up? My name is Purple Six. Welcome back to Fit Thick with Purple Six. Now, if you notice, guys, I have the video more so focusing here on my abs versus my face, just because I really literally just woke up and I really don't want to like distract you guys from what's important, the abs. Even though you're going to see my face a little bit while I'm working out, but I don't want you to focus on that right now. What I want you guys to focus on right now is my abs. So basically, what I put together is a beginner's ab routine. I say beginners just because you have ab routines that could be a little bit much for what you're trying to go for, and it gets to the point where it tires you out and where you won't complete the workout. This here is easy enough where if you are just getting into the game, you can complete this workout from beginning to end and see results, and you can advance on to the next level once those results are shown. So this workout, guys, is going to be really focused on your side muscles, which is your obliques. That's what I'm currently working on. So right now you may look at my abs and think, nothing's wrong with your abs, right? And you would definitely think that I'm not a beginner. I'm not a beginner, but I've not worked out in a while on my abs. And so it's kind of like I am starting from the beginning stage. Not quite, but kind of. My target area right now is not only my lower abs, but it's my side muscles. So if I was to pull this down, I'm being very candid with you guys. If I pull this down right now, this shows you guys kind of where my problem area is. My problem area is my side muscles. Like I said, I need to work on my lower abs too, but my side muscles, my obliques, this is definitely a target area for me. So this workout I put together, guys, is supposed to help trim down this area here. Don't be discouraged, because I will have other abs workouts coming out in the future that's going to work on your lower abs. But for today, we're just going to focus on the side muscles. Now, the good news about this workout is not just your side abs that you're going to be working out. You're going to also get a full-on core workout. So these workouts consist of stretches, punches, you name it. It's 4 workouts that you're going to repeat 5 times, guys. So like I said, you will get a full-on core workout as well. So not only will you feel it in your side muscles, but you're going to also feel it in your back muscles as well. Back muscles, and you're also going to get a little bit of arm workouts too. So this is going to be a good full all-around workout to give you a great, beautiful stomach. However, keep in mind, eating is important too, which we will discuss that, of course, but this is all we're going to focus on today, just the abs. Let me stop rambling. Let's get to the workout. All right, guys, so to the workout, we're going to go ahead and do 4 different workouts. I want you guys to do each one of these workouts 5 times. We're going to do 20 to 40 reps per workout, just so we can make sure that we really get that work in our abs. So guys, I want you to pay attention to my abs the whole time, just to make sure that I do have my abs engaged. Make sure that your abs are also engaged. And the beauty of this workout, I'm trying to get my abs back in tip-top shape with you guys. So if I got a little belly fat hanging, don't judge me. Just know that I'm trying to get there with you guys. So the first thing we're going to do is our closed fist windshield, and we're going to do a total of 20 of these, guys, okay? So I want you to bend at your knees, go as far as you can, keep your fists wrapped in tight, put your arms together, guys. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, abs in tight, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, let's go, 10, 11, 12, breathe. Make sure you're breathing in and out, guys. We're on 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Be sure that you keep your arms straight as you're doing this. Abs engaged so you can feel it right in those side muscles. Next thing we're gonna do, guys, is our side oblique stretches. What we're gonna do is start on your right. We're gonna make sure we have our back arm all the way up and go all the way down to your side. Let's go. 1, 2, all the way up. 3, be sure you're holding your abs in. 4, 5, 6, push forward. 7, 8, 9, 10. I want to go to 20, guys. 12, 13, 14. Be sure you're going all the way on the outside of your foot. Woo. 19 and 20. The beauty of that, you also felt that in the back of your thighs. So like I said in the beginning, this is really a full-on core workout because you're working out multiple muscles. Now we're gonna do our up and down stretch. We're gonna do a total of 20 of these, guys. So what you're gonna do is go all the way down. You can either tap the floor with your finger, with your fist, or with your hand. I'm a little bit over beginner level, so I'm gonna tap the floor with my fist. If you're beginner, tap the floor with your fingers. And if you feel like you're advanced, you can tap the floor with your palms, okay? Let's go, 20. 1, up, 2, up, 3. Do this in your stomach. 4, 5, hold your abs in. 6, 7, 8. You notice I'm still breathing. If you don't know how to breathe while you're working out, just count. 14, 15, 16, 17, clench your butt cheeks in, 19, and 20. You definitely should have felt that not only in your lower, but your mid abs as well. Next, last but not least of this set, guys, we're gonna do our rotating punches. This is definitely one of my favorites because I feel this the most. Bend down as far as you can in your horse stance, guys. Put up your fist as if you're about to go to work. Make sure your fist is balled up, okay? Hold your abs in. We're gonna rotate our arms out completely, okay? And we're going to do a total of 40 of these, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, if you're counting with me, that's gonna help you breathe. 12, 13, side to side, 14, 15. If you just kind of go side like this, you get an extra added benefit of those side muscles. 21, 22, or you can go like this, 3, 24, 25, 26. Either way, you're working out those abs. We're at 30, guys. I'm gonna rotate. 32. Let's go. You got it. 2 more. 39 and 40. That's it, guys. So if you were doing the workouts right, using the right intensity, you should feel that your breathing has increased. Keep in mind, you have 4 more sets of these that you have to do. So you're definitely going to have a great workout once you're done. I've already kind of built up a sweat. I hope you guys have done the same thing. If you want, go ahead and repeat this video. Like I said, you want to do these 4 more times. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. Be sure you are rate, comment, and subscribing. Letting me know what you want me to bring to you guys, and I would be glad to. Stay tuned for results. Oh, and one last thing. Make sure you are doing this 5 times a week. Do these for 2 weeks straight, and you are going to notice results, but also make sure that you're eating properly as well, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.